O ano, putang ina mo, nagtago ka? Kinabahan ka, boy, no? Pukin ng ina mo, tanga ka pa, boy. In mo, wala kang bilang dyan, tanga. Kinang ina mo.
Testing. Alright.
Ay.
You can cut out that other shit.
Run it up, Blondo.
Patay.
Hey, bitch, I'm from Texas, where we sit riding swangers and put diamonds in our necklace. Pour drink inside my lemonade till it look like a Pepsi. See, I come from the D where we got checks and we be flexing. If you ain't from my state, then you should know don't fuck with Texas. Hey, we always strap, we keep our weapons. My mama from the A, she slowed it down for me at 7. Used to think Pepsi was a guy before he went to heaven. I knew what Pusha P was before Gunna even said it. Hey, she zero taught me keep my weapon and never trust a nigga or a bitch cause it's expected. No killers from the country, they ride horses and throw cylinders. Got niggas in the east ride ATVs with Mac 11s.
First off, you better remember what that sign say before you come down here to this bitch. Don't mess with Texas. Cause you know everybody around this bitch got guns.
Hey, see, I'm from Texas. We got Beyonce, Trey the Truth, and we can't forget Devin. Big shout out to them boys, and I can't forget about them Texans. I've been feeling like Luca, how about that shit a blessing? Number one rule in Texas, keep it solid, ain't no telling. Hey, and always keep your fucking weapon. A nigga try me other guys, we got no choice but stretch him. If he survived these shots, that first bet he die on that stretcher. These diamonds I got water, might just go Johnny my next one. Hey, this Texas tea is what I drink. Sauce Walker had us dripping, sauce had the hoes and on drink. Young Mason had us digging deep and ain't know how to think. Now I got all these niggas stepping, swiping, catching plays.
Patay ka na. Tara, boy. Patay ka na, boy. Pero pa isa, boy. Patay, boy. Gago.